Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Crowd. This is Hilda, your host. Welcome all new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, put it to all notifications. You don't have to watch every video, but at least you don't miss anything if something comes up that interests you. And welcome to the return viewers. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we have a finish. Finally, it's done. I haven't washed it and ironed it because I just finished. This is fresh, hot of the needle. And I couldn't wash it on time. I wanted to show you this Sunday. You know, I would have to wait until next Sunday. I don't want to do that. So here it is, and it took me longer because of the mistake that I did over here with some of the beads. But take a look at this. This is beautiful. When I iron it, it's gonna look better. But I'll show you to you when it's ironed too. But I just wanted, to keep up with the pace. But it's a little heavy though, especially at the bottom part. And you can see over here that it has kind of a three-dimensional look. The lantern. Here are the little flowers. Everything is nice. I need this one has 36 colors. Wow. I have fun doing it. The only part it wasn't funny was, undo all this. Because I was all the way up. I almost finished the top of the sunflower. So, and that's when I realized that these were the beads that I had over here were not the ones. So I had to undo all that. Excuse me. It's late at night. I'm filming at 12:45 a.m. So here it is. Excuse me. Finally it's done. Okay. And now, okay, let's show you. I started the other one. Now we're gonna start the other one. Here it is. This one is big. It's big. But I started here at the bottom. I just doing. I'm almost done because I wanted to do a mini review of this. And because this one, any newbie who took, I'm gonna post the video of the tutorial over here on how to do these things, because there's a way to do it. All the beads gotta look at one, in the same direction, whether it's to the right or to the left. But the one that I'm doing, the method is from left to right and then right to left. So I started over here, right? Let me show you. I started over here. And then I'm about to turn, but I left these so I can show you how it's done. It's just a mini review. I'm not going to have that many explanation. You want to watch the tutorial. It's going to be on the iCard. And I'll probably try to put the link below in the description box for your convenience. So here we go. We just starting it. Okay, so let me prep this. We're just gonna do this a little bit, okay? And then so I can explain you and give it a little review, and we go from there. I'll be right back. Okay, ladies. When you start on the other side, you know, you got this line at the bottom, right? You have to put the needle straight so, you know, the beads go straight on that line. It's not going to be straight right now because it's the first line. I mean, it's up and down, but you are covering that line and it's going to get fixed. Okay, so in order, let me put my... Okay, in order to put the bead, you see the thread is coming out on this left corner over here, right? So you pick up the bead, right? And then you go where the dot is, you know, the black dot. You're gonna insert your needle there. And you're gonna go straight and you're gonna try to do it right, coming out right there in the line, okay? Making sure you don't... What the heck is this? Okay. Okay, so making sure, right, that is coming out through there, okay? And it's not on the... Oops, I lost a bead. Okay, again, has to be through the dot in there. Right, and it's straight. And you pull, and that's it. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see, the camera will help me over here. Nope. I have to accommodate my arm so I can raise this. Okay, let's go again. I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna come out through here. You pick up a C bead, right? You go through there. And come out through the line. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as close as the line as possible, okay? Oh, come on. I hate when this happens. Okay. Okay. One more time. Go through here. Right. And you come out through that line. That's for the first row, because on the flowers, the small flower, which I suggest for you to practice or to learn it, it's the same thing. You have the first line, you gotta go through that. Now, you are here, and you gotta turn to go back. You're gonna do this line already, this one over here, okay? In order to do that, the best way is for you to turn your cloth you know, the cloth. It's like a tapestry cloth. You turn in there, right? You're gonna pick up a bead, with seed bead. Okay, you're not gonna put it over here. Let me. You're not gonna put it through here because you're gonna come back. You're gonna put it through here, right? On the side of this one, of this black dot. You're gonna put it through here, and then you're gonna come out up here on the next line you're gonna do. Okay, you eyeball it, you know, that is even over here. You go through here, and then you come out through here. You put the bead. I hate when these things turns like this. Okay. Now that you are up here, you're gonna come out from the bottom left to the top right of the next one, or the bottom right of the next one to the top right. Okay? It's the bottom left of this one. So you're gonna pick up a bead, you go in through there, through here, okay, on the black top at the bottom, and you're gonna come up and pull. You see where the thread is coming out? Again, you go through in here, right? You go through in here, in between the beads, in between the next two beads. You come up here, and that's it. And you keep on doing that way, okay? And you're going to continue this space, you know, using the appropriate color, because over here there is a change of color. It's going to be a change of color, but and I'm going to post at the end of the card the owl and the lighthouse that I did. So you're going to continue Okay, I have to change color over here. This is a lighter one. You continue until you come over here. When you come over here on this last bead, you're gonna pull, and then you're gonna come out of here, right? Pick up a bead, and then you're gonna go through here, through this one. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. I'm not gonna be doing that much right now. It's late at night, and I just wanted to show you, this is the next one that I'm doing. It's called Autumn. I don't know if they have it on Amazon, but I bought these ones about a year ago when they were in Amazon before the Ukraine war, because these are from a company that is based in Ukraine. So I hope that little review showed you. Like I said, I'm going to post the tutorial over here on the iCard. If possible, I post the description link, and you'll be able to see this, how to do this beaded cross stitch. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping company on this one. I love this one. It's a little heavy. I'm gonna wash it. So thank you for keeping company on this one. For comment, please remember to hit the like, subscribe, and comment, and share too. So thanks again. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.